Hi, pastors. Thank you for taking a look at the information I had to share with you with this project. Never been a time where it's made easier for us to create income passively. And so I know many of your churches are struggling, maybe small churches, maybe you've done business with me in the past. I'm very technical if you don't know that about me or have already seen from some of the videos, but I have a passion and God-given purpose to help churches out. My one hiccup is that sometimes you guys want it for free, and I can't do it for free. And I stretch out to out my courses and stuff like that. And it's part of that thing, reason why free has cost you guys so much, because the world has manipulated free and taken advantage of where they could create income from free. This technology is passive. It's not that much work once you set it up. I could do two type of projects consulting with you, whether you hire me as a consultant or you have me on retainer, or you even have split the profit of, if you can afford it, I set it up for you and we split the profit 50-50. That's something I'm willing to do for you guys because I really want to make sure that you guys survive. This first half of the 21st century is just a start. We are going full digital in the next couple of years, and many of you, especially if you're small churches, you will not make it. You don't have the wherewithal and understanding of technology to get to the next level. You may have technology to stream media. That's a whole different game. I have a vast understanding of technology, business models, and stuff like that. And I understand what you guys need to be successful. And so this is not a one-trick pony for me. I've been working on this stuff for many years. It was one of my callings. I have a passion for ministry as well, but I'm a business person. And so for many of you, the part of the problem is that you don't realize you're running a business. As much as passionate we're still on this earth, I'm not here to lecture to you, understand that. But I want you to understand that you need to help. I need to help you, and you need to help yourself generate more income. Because if you're not tech savvy enough to understand the things that you need to do to actually start streaming your ministry online, start doing other things, there's a lot of things I have in mind and planned for you guys to help you. But you could hire me as a consultant, put me on retainer, or have you and show you, because everything is video. And I know some of you, if you don't have a team that knows technology to implement some of the things I'm going to share with you, it's going to be hard for you guys to do. And so for that reason, I have, again, my services, pastord.com, our website. If not, it's probably.org, but I believe, again, I'll leave you the link just in case for the actual domain name, because it's so important that you guys move forward in the 21st century and learn to digitize yourself. So this is not the only thing that I'm going to start, because this is the most fastest and easiest thing you could do. But it takes some capital. Nothing's free. It takes some capital to actually set this up, order the device. Like I said, you could wait and get it for free. Why this is important, why I think you guys could do this, is because not about the technical part. I know it's hard, and that's why I don't recommend this for everybody. But it is important because you guys need to generate passive income right now. And so this thing will print your money. I'm not joking about that. If you've never heard the word, it's not a scam. I'm a very savvy business person, and I have a lot of investment stuff that I do that are passive income generated. So in closing, I just want to tell you that I'm here to help you. You could go to my site and, hire me as a consultant, to call, to talk, this and that. I don't do stuff for free because of my time is very, saturated with so much projects that I'm working on, and I'm a one-man show as well. So this is something that you guys can do. Is doable. So understand that you could actually, various options I do have available to make sure that you guys see this if you want to do this. Again, the quick videos is just to get you open and understanding what is possible for people. There's other services and technologies that I'm developing, courses, ministry, and some other projects that I want to do to help you guys create income by, having a Christian-based courses that I'm designing. I'm very raw, and so therefore I want to make sure I cater that to the course that I re-record. Some of them, that's just, and I try to keep that in mind because I'm very direct and strong when I speak, because I'm trying to save some lives. I'm not trying to sugarcoat some lives. And so I know my speech is different from what you guys have. So my intellectual property is copyrighted information of understanding. I'm far ahead in the future of where things are going, and I want to help position you guys for success, because from cameras, equipment that you need to have, and also some other passive projects that I know about that I could help you guys do to make some income for yourself. So the choice is yours if you want to get started, but you gotta take action, initiative. I can't do everything for you because I do charge for my intellectual property and access because I'm that busy, and I'm just myself. I'm trying to free myself as well. So with the number of things I do, I'm being stretched all over the place, and there's so much that needs to get done in a short amount of time. I have an escrow economic course. I will, by 2025, I said the first quarter of the 100 years of escrow is actually going to get complete. Things going to move much faster. So if you think this is bad with COVID, if you think you're going to be shut down and you're going to be reopening, you have another thing coming, because this is part of a bigger plan that our system has for you to shut us and make us work from home and be more digital. Do you have the right equipment, accessories, and things that you need? Do you have alternative ways to make income for your ministry to grow and stay alive? And this is one start of the project with mining this helium that will make it possible. So hopefully you see the vision that I have for you, and you will want to continue to take action and go and purchase one of these devices. You can wait for free. Free is free, and free doesn't work anymore. But understand that you guys have a network of churches within your coalition of other churches, partnership, or even branches of your churches. You can put these devices, whether it's your home. Again, I look for business-savvy people. Anyone could do this, but it's very technical, and there's action that needs to be taken. And maybe majority of you guys are not ready to do those things, but just know that it is doable. And I'll see you on the other side.